Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. We would like to thank our father, Shembia, for donating with over 50 tanks to disadvantaged communities of Zulu-Land District Municipality. Shembia believes every citizen should have access to clean water, hence he saw a need to donate with static water tanks to Zulu-Land communities.
This donation by the Baptist Church of Nazareth, donated by INkosi UNyazi, we as government, and especially myself as a champion in this district, I'm really overwhelmed, and we are very grateful as government and district for this donation. It would go a long way for some of the municipalities that are destitute.
These communities have indeed been struggling to get clean water. They were left with no choice but to share water with cattle, livestock and goats. Their prayers were answered today, on the 14th of May 2020, as Shembia, accompanied by His Majesty Zulu King, handed over 50 static water tanks to Zulu-Land District Municipality. These tanks were handed to the municipality so that they will be fairly distributed among disadvantaged communities.
Especially when it comes to water. Could you please just highlight what some of those issues are and how they will be solved by the donation that we've seen today?
Under normal circumstances, this district is short of water everywhere. You go to schools, you go to hospitals, you go to different wards. It's a fairly wild district. The water is a great challenge. This donation by the Baptist Church of Nazareth, donated by INkosi UNyazi, we as government, and especially myself as a champion in this district, I'm really overwhelmed, and we are very grateful as government and district for this donation. It would go a long way for some of the municipalities that are destitute.
His Majesty King Goodwill's Wellatini, together with KwaZulu-Natal local government leader for transport, were very happy to receive 50 tanks and an undisclosed amount of goods and monetary resources, which will also assist in buying food parcels for poor people. Our father made this donation to also support the ongoing interventions by the provincial government aimed at bringing water closer to communities. The water tanks, which have been donated by the Nazareth Baptist Church, will be installed in 5 municipalities in the Zulu-Land district to ensure increased access to water for communities and also combat the spread of COVID-19. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.